Thanks everyone. Let's start with today's topic, microeconomics. The topics we are going to cover today are determinants, determinant of demand. The first one is price of good, income of the consumer, price of related goods, other factors like distribution of income, population, growth, etc., taste and preferences of consumer. Determinants of demand. For aggregate demand, the number of buyers in the market is the sixth determinant. Demand equation or function. This equation expresses the relationship between demand and its five determinants. QD is equal to F, which is a function of price, income, price of related goods, taste, expectations. As you can see, this isn't a straightforward equation like 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. It isn't that simple to create an equation that accurately predicts the exact quantity that consumers will demand. How each determinant affect demand. Each factor impact on demand is unique. When the income of the buyer increases, for example, that could also increase demand. The buyer has more money and is more likely to spend it. But when other factors increases, like the price of related goods, for example, demand could decrease. All the factors are in flux all the time. To understand how one determinant affects demand, you must first hypothetically assume that all the other determinants do not change. Price. The law of demand states that when prices rise, the quantity of demand falls. That also means that when price drops, demand will grow. People base their purchasing decisions on price if all other things are equal. The exact quantity bought for each price level is described in the demand schedule. Income. When income rises, so will the quantity demanded. When income falls, so will demand. But if your income doubles, you won't always buy twice as much of a particular good or service. Price of related goods and services. The price of complementary goods or services raises the cost of using the product you demand, so you'll want less. For example, when gas prices rose to $4 a gallon in 2008, the demand for gas guzzling trucks and SUVs fell. Gas is a complementary good to these vehicles. The cost of driving a truck rose along with gas prices. Number of buyers in the market. The number of consumers affect overall or aggregate demand. As more buyers enter the market, demand rises. That's true even if prices don't change, and the US saw this during the housing bubble of 2005. Low cost and subprime mortgages increased the number of people who could afford a house. Expectations. When people expect that the value of something will rise, they demand more of it. That helps explaining the house asset bubble of 2005. Housing price rose, but people kept buying houses because they expected the price to continue to increase.